Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshop project series. Today I am going to present task 14, program the product updating process in my project. In this task, I developed a complete system that allows sellers to securely edit and update their products. This includes the implementation of the seller controller, the seller dashboard and the product edit interface, and also the backend update process. Through this task, I focused on improving security, organizing the code using MVC structure, and also ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience for sellers. Now I will explain how this system works step by step. Okay, let's start. This is our home page in our Skillshop site, and up to now we created our profile and sign out. Then let's see our dashboard. This is our dashboard, and this is Sabina's dashboard, and you can see her skills. Okay, here we can create a new skill. Let's do that. Okay, I type lobby design and create modern brand logos. I select category is not graphic design, and price is 2000, and level is intermediate, and status is active. Okay, then I register the product. A success, your product has been registered successfully. Okay, let's see it. Okay, you can see that our details are stored successfully in our table, product table. Okay, then okay, move back to our page. Okay, so in here we can edit our skills also. Let's do it also. Okay, product title is mobile updated app development. I do not change anything here. I change this as a beginner, and this now I change price, and I change the image also. Okay, let's update our product. Your product has been updated successfully. Okay, let's see it. Okay, now you can see our product is updated. See? Okay. So then let's move to see my backend logic. In my seller dashboard.php, this page works as the main control panel for the seller. First, I include header file, and this ensures the navigation bar, session data, and command layout are loaded. Then I check the user role. This is a security validation. It prevents non-sellers from accessing the seller dashboard. If the logged in user is not a seller, the system automatically redirects them into the home page. This protects sensitive seller data. Then after that, I connect the seller control.php, And here here I create an object of an controller and call the get dashboard stats function method. This method collects all seller related data such as products, orders, earnings, buyers, and ratings. I then store them in separate variables like total earnings, total buyers, active products, and also average rating. This makes the data easy to display inside the dashboard. Then this allows the dashboard to switch between different sections like dashboard, publish store, and messages using URL parameters. It improves user experience because everything works inside one page dynamically. Then here the navigation links use conditional styling. This highlights the active tab visually so the seller knows which section they are currently viewing. And here this formats earnings properly with 2 decimal places. The 4 main performance indicators are total earnings, total buyers, active skills, and average ratings. These values come directly from the controller, meaning when products are updated or orders are placed. This dashboard automatically reflects real-time changes. This helps sellers monitor their business performance clearly. You can see. Okay. Here, this dynamically displays all products created by the seller. For each product, I show product title, ratings, status, that means active or inactive, and also edit button. The edit button, this connects directly to the product updating process. When the seller clicks edit, they can modify product details. This is how the updating feature integrates with the dashboard. I also conditional styling for status. Here, this visually shows whether the product is active or inactive. It improves usability and clarity. You already see it in our user interface. So overall purpose of this file is the seller dashboard.php acts as the seller's management interface. It ensures secure access control, connects backend logic to the controller, displays real-time performance statistics, and also allows sellers to edit and manage products, and then also provides a clean and user-friendly interface. By separating logic, controller, and display, that means dashboard view, and I followed a proper structure. And also this improves code organization, maintainability, and scalability and security of the system. Okay. Then let's go to see our product update process.php. Okay. This file is responsible for updating a seller's product securely in the system. First, I start the session and I connect to the database. This is used to access user session data and connect to the database for updating information. Then this code is used to protect the update process. Only logged in sellers can update products. If someone else tries to access this file directly, the system blocks them. Here I collects all updated product details from the form. The usage of this is to store and clean input data before updating the database. Here, this is used to check if all required fields are correct. It ensures title is not empty, description is valid, price is valid, level and status are correct, and category is valid. This prevents wrong or empty data from being saved. Here, this confirms the selected category exists, and this one here, this ensures the product belongs to the logged-in seller. This is very important for security because sellers should only update their own products. And here, this section allows the seller to update the product image. It checks file type JPG, PNG, GIF or WebP and file size maximum 5 MB. Here, and then it creates a unique file name. This is used to avoid file name conflicts and improve security. If the image upload is successful, the new image path is saved. Here, this is the main part of product update process because it updates category, title, description, price, level, status, and also image. The usage of this code is to modify only the selected product and only if it belongs to the logged-in seller. Here, if a new image is uploaded successfully, the old image is deleted, and this is used to save storage space and avoid unused files. So, this file is used to securely update product details, validate all input data, protect against unauthorized access, handle image upload safely, prevent SQL injection using prepared statements, ensure sellers can only update their own products, and keep the database clean and organized. Okay, now let's go to see other seller controller.php. I programmed the product updating process by creating a seller controller class to manage all seller related operations in a structured and secure way. This class uses object-oriented programming concepts to keep the code organized and maintainable. The seller's ID is passed through the constructor and stored in a private variable, ensuring that all methods inside the class work only with the currently logged in seller's data. I also created reusable private method called fetchResults and to execute prepared SQL queries safely and return results as associative arrays, which helps prevent SQL injection and reduce the code repetition. The getSellProduct method retrieves all products that belong to the seller and includes additional information such as review count and average rating by joining the feedback table. It groups the results properly and scores them by the latest created products. The getSellerOrders method retrieves all orders related to the seller products by joining the order, product, and user tables, allowing the seller to see buyer details and order information clearly. These methods ensure that whenever a product is updated, the latest product and order data are accurately reflected in the system. Finally, the getDashboardStats method calculates important statistics such as total earnings, total buyers, active products and overall average rating using PHP error functions. It ensures that the dashboard automatically updates after product changes, providing real-time performance data to the seller. Overall, this implementation improves code organization security, data accuracy, and maintainability while effectively supporting the product updating process. Okay, let's move to our product edit.php file. Okay, here's the one. This file is used to display the product editing form and allow the seller to update their product details safely. This is used to access login session data. Then I check the user is logged in, and this prevents unauthorized users from the accessing the edit page. And I also check the user role, and this ensures the sellers can edit products and it improves system security. And here this gets product ID from the URL. Then I check the product belongs to the logged in seller. And here this is very important because it ensures the seller can only edit their own products. If not found, the user is redirected back to the dashboard. This is used to load all the available categories from the database so the seller can select the correct category while editing. So inside the form, I pre-fill the inputs with existing product values. This allows seller to see current information and modify it easily instead of entering everything again. So I use this for in description and in price also. Okay, then this automatically selects the current category, level, and status. And then if the product already has an image, this shows the current product image. The upload section allows the seller to drag and drop image, preview image before submitting, and remove image if needed. This improves user experience. Then, before sending data to the server, I validate title, description, price, level, and also status. You can see that. Okay. This prevents empty or invalid data from being submitted. Okay. And then, when the form is submitted, this sends to update product data to the backend without refreshing the page. This makes the system modern and user-friendly. It is Ajax-based query. Okay. If update is successful, then this reloads the page and shows a success message. Then if there is an error, it shows the message inside the ID form message, and this improves user feedback and experience. Overall usage of this file is display existing product data and allow sellers to update product details, validate input data, and handle image upload with preview, send data securely to the backend, ensure only the correct seller can edit the product, improve user experience with real-time validation. It works together with product update process.php to complete the full product updating system. So, in conclusion, Task 14 successfully implements the complete product updating process in a secure and organized way. The seller controller manages all backend logic. The seller dashboard displays real-time performance data. The product edit page provides a user-friendly interface, and the update process securely saves changes to the database. This system ensures that only authorized sellers can update their own products, validates all input data, and safely handles image uploads. Overall, this implementation makes the platform more secure, efficient, and professional while providing a smooth and reliable experience for sellers. So, thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video.